Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Malinee from Malinee channel. Today I'm gonna make Kanom Krok. Kanom Krok is Thai street food. Since Halloween is coming, so we're gonna make special edition for Halloween. Kanom Krok has two parts, the shell and the filling. Here are the ingredients of the shell: rice flour, cooked jasmine rice, glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, shredded coconut and lime water, coconut oil, salt, and plum sugar. I'm adding all ingredients into the blender. Start off with a cup of lime water, 50 ml of coconut milk, then add 15 grams of glutinous rice flour. Intensify the coconut flavor with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. I'm using 30 grams of plum sugar. Then follow with 50 grams of rice flour. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 50 grams of shredded coconut. Then blend everything together. Now we're going to make the filling. And here are the ingredients: salt, coconut milk or coconut cream, sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar. Special ingredients are cooked pumpkin, pecan, and chocolate sauce. So let's start making the filling. I'm using 75 ml of coconut milk, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the salt and sugar to your liking. Then I'm adding 75 grams of cooked pumpkin. Blend until smooth. Next, we're gonna cook Kanom Krok together. Preheat your barbecue grill with medium-low heat. Brush the Kanom Krok pan with coconut oil. Use the takoyaki pan instead of the Kanom Krok pan. Pour the base to the pan and fill up to 80% of each hole. Then add the filling. You want to put the filling in the middle. Then close the lid for 8 minutes or until the shell golden. Use metal spoon to take out Kanom Krok. My pan is cast iron, but it's become non-stick because I seasoned it. You can learn how I did it from the link above. So this is the decoration part. I'm putting pecan on each Kanom Krok. Then I'm using the chocolate sauce to make eyes and legs of the box. I'm putting the chocolate sauce in the small ziplock bag and then cut the small hole on the tip of the bag. These desserts are very delicate. They are crisp outside and custardy inside. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.